Oh, how cute. It's got a baby. Okay, so just showing you guys some of the equipment. We got the headphones, the keyboards, and so I've got all my little bits of percussion, some taonga puro, mixers. This is the mixer we're using. So this is the program I've been using. The microphone, we're using a Rode microphone. Been using the hand sonic quite a bit on the tracks. What else have we got? Yep, putting a wire together for the album. All my lyrics are on the floor. All the lyrics being sorted out. Like 400 and something loops, and it kind of drove me a little bit crazy. DJ Catch and Tony McCall are both working with me on the album as well.
As you can see, this is how it's going down. Recording with tones for the Mihirangi album sessions. She's got AWOL. She's got an AWOL with the manager, so we're showing you how to do drums cabin style. As you can see, we're on a low budget, so we only got one microphone, and we had to pinch the tea towels. And here's the. This is the booth.
Drum booth.
Drum booth.
Whoa.
World class drum booth. Right next to the bed, just in case.
Tea towels. Going for some dry beats.
Yeah. We're gonna get into a bit of yeah, and some magic's gonna happen. Peace.
Here down on the farm. Can't play drums, you bitch. And the future producer going crazy, writing tracks. Ooh yeah. Nothing like dancing around the studio. The rickety drums and the rickety.
What did you say?
There's a tree growing. And it got bigger and bigger and bigger.
Kinda.
Pizza, we're getting pizza.
Kinda.
Oh, use the fork
Coke.
Look like a speaker with dreads.
This is, it kind of evokes just wearing undies and this only.
Have you ever done a set in your undies?
Hey?
Have you ever done a set in your undies?
No, but it's never too late to start, I think.
No. I think now's a good time.
Yeah, we're in the
Okay, we're gonna bring it up. Yeah! That was Mr. Tony McCall doing his take for the Future Producer album. Ooh yeah, booyah. love you guys lots. Peace out. Be good. And yeah, I really look forward to touring this album and seeing you guys in person and sending it out to you soon.